Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Forerunner 955 and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. Before we start, if you want to factory reset your watch, make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your device. Now let's continue with the reset. So first we need to press and hold the up button to open the menu. So keep holding it until the menu pops out on the screen, and after the menu appears, you can use the up and down button to scroll through the menu like that. Scroll through the menu until you find the system option and select it. Once you select system option, press the start/stop button to enter. Now scroll through the system menu by using the up and down buttons again. Select the option called reset and then press the start/stop to enter. Here, scroll through the menu, find the option called delete data and reset settings. Once you select it, press the start/stop. And here, as you can see, we have the message that this type of reset will remove all of our data and settings from our device. So be aware of that. And once you're aware, you can press the start/stop to confirm and start the resetting process. And now let's wait until the resetting process is complete. And once you see the list of languages on the screen, it means that the factory reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.